Welcome back, and I just burned most of the available cash supply for crafting reagents. Yeah, but at least I got more upgrades for the guys. So, next we have a day in the park. It's a lovely day. A lovely, lovely day in spring. And Chroma Ranger decided to have a picnic. Instead of a relaxing day at the park, however, what they get is another monster with an evil plan to defeat them. Ooh! Park. Again. This is starting to get tedious, yeah. So it's a two-part battle, which I really should have been tipped off before. Keep all of your heroes standing. Defeat 6 enemies. Easy enough to do. Froze again. Actually, that looks kind of nice. Next in line to defeat these nosy heroes called Chroma Ranger. Yeah, the 3-sectioned wood block guy, that kind of looks kind of nice. I don't know, is that a bird nest on his head? That's actually pretty clever. The other monsters take me for a fool, but I'll show them! Trees can be very intelligent beings. Like those ones from, Lord of the Rings that take a full day to even finish saying hello. Or was it good morning? They were saying good morning in the morning, and it took them to finish saying that until nighttime. Yeah, well, that was it. I heard Chroma Ranger coming for a picnic. I'll pretend to be a regular tree, and then BLAM! I hope you can transform into a regular tree, because otherwise that's going to be kind of hard. Wahaha! Yeah, you don't need wahaha and then evil laugh. That's kind of redundant. Best plan ever! I'm so smart. So smart I should change my name to Treebeat! Really? Alright, I know... there's the snark again. I say something, and then the dialogue itself ends up saying the exact same thing, because Treebird was the name of the main, what's the phrase? The giant tree people in... It was the first encountered giant tree person in Lord of the Rings. And I'm not a big fan of Lord of the Rings, so for me to remember that, that's disconcerting. Oh hey, here they come. Use the crosswalks, you fools! Use the crosswalks! What a great day for a picnic, Stephanie. This was such a great idea. Yeah, I can't remember the last time I did the picnic thing because A, there's no good picnic food to make that's not a cousin sub. 2, I'm an adult and any time that's nice enough to do a picnic, it's also too hot. Weather conditions, you know that. With everything that has been going on, this is just what we needed. Yeah, people need a day off when they're stressed. Look, a new tree in the park. We should totally sit next to it. You people cannot be that stupid. Why don't we What? Did you just make a fart joke? Excuse me, do you mind not farting while I'm saving the world? Oh, he tore his suit. Didn't you fix this the other day? He's the He's the tech guy. He is not the clothing guy. Stick to those extreme poses. You're standing with your arms, with your legs spread. That's not exactly an extreme pose. Either way, I'm not your employee. Fix it yourself. I gotta agree with KP on this. This is the continuing arc of the douchebag Red Ranger. Stop it. This was supposed to be our fun day together. I can fix it, Jimmy. We'll be back in a few. Oh, so we're starting men down. Joy. And yeah, you should probably just replace your clothing if you can. I mean, I mend my clothing, but I don't make a lot. And it's hard to find clothing in my sizes that's not expensive. Let's sit under that new tree. We can set up our picnic and have a bite. Yeah. This is going to lead to man down battle. This looks like a good plate. Now minions, get them! They're coming out of the... We love a picnic of easy prey, boss! Enjoy it then. I'll just watch for now. Yeah, why are the portable toilets out here? Those are usually only around for concert or special events. They're not usually around in a public park like that. Thanks for sharing. Defeat 6 enemies. Okay, team attacks would be a good thing right now. Should draw them to us, at least. And yes, that achieved it. As they made through some truncated... That should be a K if you're going for that pun. Chroma Ranger tried to avoid Woodman. Mega Man... The creators of Mega Man would like to speak with you by moving their picnic to another spot, but the monster followed them. Oh no, the tree can move. Wait, would you let me ask you a... Oh! That's how you spell the pun, though. And I love that it's he's actually holding an axe now. You're barking up the wrong tree. That was funny. You're learning well, Decker. Your puns have improved. Haha. I'm going to branch you out of this park. No. Defeat 3 enemies at the same turn, act fuck monster with Techie 4 times. But there aren't any other monsters here. Well, since he's our technician, let's attack Woodman with him. So. Attack monster. Get him in range and teamwork. Little Roots. Oh no. Oh no. He used clone jutsu. That can't be good. That'll be it for the second techie attack. And let's move in to get rid of one of these guys. Ooh, materials. Yay. Oh my, yes. This is about to become your nightmare. I need to move out of an attack range that will exterminate everything. So, too far. But, still use multi-shot to get rid of them. That way I can get rid of the last one. There we go. And move over here for teamwork. At this point, I just need to avoid... Yeah, that counted as the third attack. So, Techie, final attack on Wood Guy. And it's been achieved. So, do we finishing move this guy, or... Yeah, I'm going to say finishing move this guy. Ask you a question. Irony! Oak, did you think you've won? Well, I did cut into you with a giant axe, so yeah. I wouldn't expect you... second light. Yeah. You guys are late. Oh, there are your fronds. That didn't work. I was rooting they would... Rooting works. I was rooting they would never get here so you wouldn't have your Rainbow King. Why are these in two different fonts? This is thicker than... Yeah. So, did you get your pants fixed? Not now, KP. Let's record the Rainbow King part. Descend, Rainbow King! I'm now beating up a wood construct with a metal construct. The drill arm. This is the drill that will pierce your wooden ass. Wait, that came out wrong. And now rain will fall, wood will fall like rain on all of the people, and they will have giant amounts of firewood to placing their fire plants. Okay, so got a lot of stuff then. There we go. Heh, even wins boss team. Okay, so what do we want to do next? Ooh, mail. No subject. You sure don't know how to care. You sure don't know how to care for yourself. I have warned you twice. You even destroyed my pirate antenna. Things are about to get really messy. Oh dear. I've actually, since it's been a couple days since I played last, I actually forgot about this part of it. As in, I forgot who these messages are coming from. What was the last one? Second warning, ignored my first one. There we go. Be careful, you're in danger. Yeah, that's not really telling us anything about what's going on. Make a wood board. I probably wonder why I did that, because our mecha's left arm is in need of upgrades, and I have all the parts for it, so that is the last one I needed. Almost last one I needed. Yeah, I just need metal parts and whatever that alien cardboard is, and I will be nearly full upgraded mech. And I don't know how to get alien cardboard. Yeah, let's get some helmets. Wondering if this was better. Nah, it's either or. Which one like a duster? Okay, recycle old stuff. Oh yeah, these are old. These way needed to be upgraded earlier. And I just realized I could have probably waited and saved the money for that, because I'm about to get more materials in for... Are really defenses that well? Once I complete the season, which we will record next time.